Hello, here's another AQA A-level physics question on simple harmonic motion. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. So which graph shows how the velocity of a body moving with simple harmonic motion varies with its displacement x? So let's draw a graph to show how displacement and velocity vary with time when simple harmonic motion is taking place. So we'll do the displacement in green, and the displacement over time will look like that, a nice sine curve. Let's draw an axis there, an x-axis with displacement, just like they've got in the answers. And then we'll show how velocity varies with time, and velocity is 90 degrees out of phase with the displacement. Okay, so let's have a look at this time. We'll change colours, make it a bit easier to see what's happening. So let's look at this time t0. We've got a displacement of 0 and a large positive velocity. So displacement of 0, large positive velocity. Let's look at this time here. When the displacement is large and positive, the velocity is 0. So large positive displacement, 0 velocity. I should have written v for velocity on that axis. Let's look at this next time here. We've got a displacement of 0 and a large negative velocity, and finally a displacement of a large negative displacement and a 0 velocity. Large negative displacement, 0 velocity. So the only graph is B, where these points would all fit. So B is correct. Hopefully that was useful. If it was, subscribe, like and share, and watch more of them to help you with your A-level revision.